So I've always wanted a smartwatch, and when Carbinox reached out to me about sponsoring today's video, I said absolutely. And they actually sent me two of their Carbinox Edge watches. They have a stainless steel version and a black version as well. And they sent me both of these watches. And I'm gonna be honest with you, these are some really nice and really well-made watches. One of the things is, me being paralyzed, I'm always, pushing my wheelchair, and my arms are hitting stuff, my hands are hitting things. So we're gonna put these watches to the test, and they are really sturdy. The band is really strong. Again, the body of the watch is stainless steel as well. So I'm going to make really good use of these watches throughout the coming days. So hopefully they will stand up to the test of time. And we'll actually do a follow-up video on these watches as well to show you just how well they hold up. But we're going to show you how to set them up. We're going to show you what you get whenever you order these watches as well, and we'll show you everything that you need to know about the Carbinox Edge watches. Okay, so here is what we get whenever we order our Carbinox Edge watch. We have the stainless steel version, the silver one actually, right here. This is the watch face. We have our charging puck. We have our USB type A to C connection as well. For our puck, we have our watch band. We have our instruction manual as well, and this is the box that it comes in. On the side of the box, we have a QR code that we can scan to actually walk us through these steps of setting up our watch. This software does work on Android or iOS as well, so either type of phone that you have, it will work in conjunction with it. And we'll show you actually how to set it up in just a few moments. Here we have our assembled Carbinox Edge black version, and this is the one we're going to be using today to show you how to set it up. But anyway, let's go through the setup process, and we'll describe all the things that come with your Carbinox Edge watch. So once you get your watch powered on, you're going to go through the setup process for the watch. You're going to hit mine has one to sleep, so we're going to do that. We're going to choose our language preference, so that's going to be English. And then you have a QR code that you're going to scan. I've already scanned the code, so I'm going to hit install on my phone. This is going to be on an Android phone as well, so if you have an iOS, you're going to be doing the exact same thing. Once it finishes downloading and installing, you're going to hit open, and you're going to walk you through the process of setting up and pairing the watch and your phone together. So let's hit open. It's going to ask you to log in. We're going to use Google. We're going to agree to terms and services. I'm going to log in with my email address. It's going to add, please enter your email address, so I got to enter my email. And then it's going to ask for a verification code. So we're going to get that sent to our email address. And then once we get that verification code, we're going to punch it in. So we've got our verification code. Then we hit confirm. It's going to ask us everything about it, whether male, female, our birth date, and we're going to go through all that process. So let's go ahead. It's going to ask for your height, your weight, all of that. And in this case right here, we're going to switch to imperial because I live in the US. I'm actually 5'11". I actually weigh about 143. So we're going to hit next. I'm going to click information. So start now. So after you scan the QR code, you're going to go to device, and it should add device. We're going to add our device, and there's our Carbinox Edge. So you're going to tap that, and it should automatically pair the devices together. Your phone and your watches will pair. We're going to say yes over here on our watch. Let's activate now. Please ensure that Bluetooth is on your phone and the watch is connected to your phone with a good connection. So yep, activating, and now we are greeted with our screen, and we now have our Carbinox Edge and our phone connected. We're gonna hit pair, and we're asking for a firmware update. So let's go ahead and update that. Let's not make any changes. So let's go ahead and pair request. Yes, it is pairing. It's paired. Now we can update it. So as it goes through the update process, you can see right here, it says allow access to messages. We're going to allow that. And our phone will take the time to go ahead and update. And there we go. Now that the firmware update has been installed, it says that the firmware has already been updated. We're going to go ahead and go to the next section on our watch and go through and show you all the apps that are available on your watch. So now that our firmware update is installed, this is just one of the many available scenes or watch faces that you can install. You've got a whole list of things right here. We've got time, we've got a blood oxygen, and I'll put it on my arm in a minute, and that way you can see exactly what goes on with the watch. So as you can see right here, I've got the barometric pressure. My stress level is 28 apparently,
and my heart rate is about 80 at a time. It tells you sunset, sunrise, and also the current temperature here where I live at. You got a timer, music, you got your sleep pattern, you got your sports as well. You can set it for exercise as well. And yeah, this is what this watch looks like on my arm, and yeah, it's really nice, really sleek. The black one is really nice as well, and we're gonna check out the silver one a little bit later. One of these are gonna be my wife. I'm probably gonna wife the black one, and I'll keep the silver one for myself.
All right, so we actually switched camera angles right here so that way you can get a better view of the phone itself. As you can see, the app on your phone can track everything and can change all of the settings that are on your watch. I went through and actually changed my temperature from Celsius to Imperial because I live in the US. You can display this all your display settings, timers, all of this can be done directly from your phone. Again, watch faces as well. Let's go here through real quick. Watch face store. You can actually download as many different watch faces as you want and choose whatever one you actually like. I actually like this one right here or the green one as well. And there's another one right there that's free. So let's go ahead and apply that one. And what it's going to do is going to download it. And it doesn't take very long at all. It goes through the process of actually installing the watch face for you. Once it finishes, it automatically switches to that watch face for you. So we are almost done there. As you can see, it doesn't take very long at all. And there actually are a host of different watch faces. So there is our new watch face. Go back, and again, there is just so many different ones to choose from. You can your screen wake time or double tap to wake it up, always on during workout. Watch face store. You can do your sport recognition. Find your device. If you lay your watch down somewhere, you can actually tap on it and it'll find your watch, and vice versa. You can go on your watch as well and find your phone if you lay it down somewhere. You got notifications, reminders. You got health monitoring, heart rate settings, blood oxygen settings, your stress settings, mood settings. And again, all of that can be done directly from the actual watch or your phone. And if you decide that you want to actually unpair this device, you can do that as well. In the event that you get tired of using it on this particular phone, just unpair it, and you can go through the process and set it up once again on a different phone or device. But there are just so many things that are available for the Carbinox Edge watches, and they are just going to be an absolutely amazing watch. The great thing about it is they are not super expensive in comparison to some of the other watches out there. Again, like I said, I've always wanted a smartwatch. There are some cheap versions out here, but they don't offer the durability. They're not going to offer any of the features that this watch will offer for you. And again, the big thing for me is the fact that I can actually don't have to worry about, tearing it up, beating it up because of the actual build quality of the Carbinox Edge watch. All right, so let's talk about the real thing, and that is the fact that this watch is about $200. It's not cheap, but again, it's not a cheap made watch. That is a great thing about it. It is going to last you for a lifetime, and a matter of fact, it comes with a lifetime warranty. So anything that happens to this watch, it will be taken care of because of that lifetime warranty. Not only that, you can test it out for 45 days. No questions asked. If you don't like it, for whatever reason, you can return it back. No questions asked, and they'll refund your money. I'm going to be honest with you. This is going to be an absolutely amazing watch for me. Again, I've always wanted a smart watch. Never had, the ability to get one. And like I said, when Carbinox reached out to me, I just really jumped on it because, hey, it can't be beat. Everything that you need to know about yourself, sleep tracking, exercise routine, whatever you need, this watch can do it all. Notifications, and I'm going to make good use of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to pick one up, I'll leave a link to the Carbinox website. That way you can grab it. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It just take you directly to their website, and if you want to purchase one, go ahead. But if not, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you've got a smartwatch, what kind of smartwatch do you have? Does it do all the things that this watch does? Is it as rugged as this watch is going to be? I don't know because this is my first watch. But I hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. As always, much love and peace out, boys and girls.